Number 8, kids aren't held responsible for cleaning up. I see parents make this all the time. They never have their kids clean up their stuff. Most of the time it's because the kids don't know where things should go or the playroom isn't set up where they can access the toys independently. The best way to do this is to label everything so the kids can independently clean up. How to fix these problems? First, start by giving everything in the playroom a specific zone. Find bins that are the appropriate size for your toys. Plan the room for growth instead of what you have right now. So find storage options that will grow with your family and make sure that everything is labeled. Still struggling with the actual design of the space? Not sure of the best bins? My Playroom organizing and design plans cover all of this. You can get the plans where you are watching this video. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week.